Hello, namaste, and a very warm welcome to you all on my show, Eat, Cook and Love. I, as usual, am so excited to be here with you all, and I hope you guys are doing fabulous. This episode is special for more than one reason. It's that beautiful time of the year, Christmassy, my favorite month of the year rather. It also happens to be my birthday month. I seriously love to celebrate this month completely. So also to share with you all, this video took longer as I had a small, well, not so small injury while we were shooting our previous episode. I carelessly managed to fracture my wrist. It was in plaster, a cast for almost a month. It's all good now, healed up, and I'm back. Thank you, God, and thank you to you all for all the love that surrounded me at that time. As this is our 10th episode, the last episode of Eat, Cook and Love Season 1. Yeah, it's been a beautiful journey. We have about 500,000 subscribers and going strong. Thank you to all of you who made this possible. And for the ones who still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so as soon as possible. Your love is what keeps us going and it motivates me to do more. So having all of that, 2026 we come back with our season 2 of Eat, Cook and Love with the same amount of enthusiasm, energy and more exciting episodes for you all. Very well. Now coming to the most fabulous part of the show, and it is indeed a fabulous, a legend guest whose music has been a constant companion in our lives. He redefines Bollywood music that is packed with emotions and drama. Cannot miss to mention his lyrics. Much like food, his music has flavors, sweet, spicy, comforting, and sometimes surprising. Beyond the awards and the accolades, he's known for his spontaneous nature, infectious energy, and a voice that makes him instantly recognizable. Any guesses? Well, it is an absolute honor, and with great respect, I welcome today music composer and singer and extremely talented in Indian cinema, Anu Malik.
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें
Anu sir, thank you very much for being on my show today. It is an honor to have you here.
Thank you.
And absolutely grateful for you removing time from your busy schedule and being here for us today. And आपके आने से हमारे शो को 4 चांद नहीं 100 चांद लगे. Like,
My God.
literally.
I would say it in my typical say कि गुंचा है, गुल है, मौसम बहार है, सब आ चुके हैं, मगर बस अभी अन्नू मलिक का इंतजार है. तो
Anu Malik style.
मैं आ गया हूँ, and it's looking good. So, Sheetal, I must tell you something. I love the concept of your show.
Thank you
It's
so
beautiful
much.
to know
Thank
that you started your own YouTube channel.
Thank you so much.
And you are gaining a lot of traction because we have been watching your show.
Thank
and
you.
it's really a good start because also you are a special person to me because you are the wife of one of my most favorite musicians ever, Jackie Vanjara. And Jackie is someone who I can never say no because he never says no to me.
Yes.
And he's so special and he told me, my wife has started this channel where you come there, talk about your life and cook. I said, cook? मैं यार खाना वाना नहीं बोलता नहीं आपके अंदर है अगर आपके मेलोडी इतनी अच्छी है तो खाना कुछ ना कुछ तो फेवरेट डिश होगा.
Yes.
So you must come to the show and Jackie has done such commendable work with me
Yes,
in terms of
we are
music
all
production.
aware of that, yes.
So this is for Jackie and this is for you.
Thank you so much.
So I'm looking forward to. So guys, I have come here. मैंने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन तो दे ही दिया है कि मैं क्या हूँ, क्या नहीं हूँ, किस तरह काम करता हूँ, क्या नहीं है. लेकिन मेरी जिंदगी जो हुआ, जो शीतल के सामने बताऊंगा, अपने सुनने वालों को बताना चाहता हूँ, has not been an easy ride.
Yes.
बड़ी शिद्दत, बड़ी तकलीफ, बड़ी मुसीबतें, सबको देखते देखते मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ। आज ऐसी जगह पर पहुँचा हूँ जहाँ एक ज़माने में हम इसी जगह पर आते थे जब हमारी उम्र थी 17 साल 18 साल की, और हम इडली सांभर खाते थे। Now the entire restaurant has changed.
Yes.
तो वो ज़माना इसलिए बता रहा हूँ कि यहाँ से एक बस जाया करती थी, अभी भी जाती है, 231, और हम अपना बाजा लेकर उस बस में चढ़ते थे टू गो एंड मीट अ प्रोड्यूसर। तो मुझे बस नंबर्स की सब बस, मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ बिफोर वी कम टू द फूड कि ये सरियल लगता है मुझे। हमने दिन काटे हैं where we have just been struggling to get that one meal.
Yes.
231, 384, 83, 84, 4 limited, वो 384 तो घाट के ऊपर जा रही है, वहाँ भी कोई प्रोड्यूसर रह रहा है, वहाँ भी हम बाजे लेके जाते थे। So today when you give me so much love and warmth and izzat, I attribute this only to Saraswati Ma. I attribute this to her blessings कि मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ, being Sardar Malik's son,
Yes.
struggling hard to be where I am. I'm grateful.
Yes.
Grateful for all the love, grateful for all the warmth, and मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ, सब उनकी कृपा है।
Sir, and also to tell you, this place has got you back here because Dad, he's up there. He's listening, he's watching. He must be so happy that you're back in his place. My brother runs this place.
It's
Marty.
amazing, amazing.
And,
I met your father,
yes, of course.
and
yes.
a wonderful human being,
Yes.
absolutely wonderful human being. And I think somewhere his blessings are there.
Yes,
For
of
you,
course.
for Jackie, for me.
Yes.
He always had a smile.
Yes.
He always met me with a lot of warmth. And he said, you know what? My daughter is married to the person we love the most. Pehla introduction. I said, who? Jackie. I said, Sheetal is Jackie's wife. I said, yes, meri beti hai. And then we gave a big hug.
Yeah.
And right now he's somewhere here.
Yes,
And is enjoying the show.
absolutely,
So
absolutely.
we miss you, sir. You're all around us. We need your blessings.
Thank you so much. My entire family has so much love and respect for you. It's like, words cannot
Thank you.
express that.
Amar, I must tell you about this food. तो मैं आज क्या करने वाला हूँ?
हाँ जी.
I must add one thing. जब भी मैं काम करता हूँ, my wife laughs at this. She says कि जब भी मैंने अच्छा गाना रिकॉर्ड किया है और I felt कि रिकॉर्डिंग बहुत अच्छी गई है, I used to phone up my wife and I said, चलो, आज I have earned my respect from my producer. We will go out for dinner. तो मुझे खाने का कब शौक होता है जब मैं गाना अच्छा रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ.
Right.
तो that's what they say, गाना और खाना
Right.
मिलके चलते हैं. But sometimes she says, I've looked at her and there was a time when I remember I used to see my mummy cooking for us every morning, every day. And I used to wonder how she's rustling up this meal
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
all of us, you know.
Yeah.
And that made me feel, Sheetal, I'm not saying this to tell you this like that. It made me feel very proud of women.
Yeah.
That we always say कि मैंने
Yeah.
ये गाना बनाया, मैंने ये काम किया. But behind that is that woman, that mother, that wife
Yeah.
who puts you up in a position where you can go out and work.
Yes. Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
कि
Absolutely.
माँ के हाथ का नाश्ता ना
Yeah.
हो, खाना हो, मेरी wife का, you know, the way she rustles up that meal
Yeah.
from breakfast to lunch to dinner, and we take it for granted. So one day what I decided was, I saw my wife was a little tired, whole week काम करके. I said, I'm going to make something for her. And I wanted to surprise my wife.
Yeah.
तो मैंने क्या किया, सुबह उठ गया मैं, and how this whole thing started. I said, मैं दाल, चावल, सब्जी, रोटी बनाना इतना आसान नहीं, सुनना आसान है कि प्लेट पर, you know, कोई बना के देखे आपके टेबल पर आ जाए. So I'm going to surprise my wife. And I went to the kitchen and I said, I'm going to make an egg burji my style for her. Let's see how she reacts. So I got up early before she could get up.
Wow.
Went to the kitchen. मैं किचन में गया सुबह सुबह और शुरू हो गया. मैंने धीरे से I closed the door of the kitchen कि आवाज ना जाए बेडरूम
हाँ,
तक.
correct.
And slowly I
Oh.
took the eggs. मैंने रात को ही प्लान कर लिया था कि फ्रिज में एग्स कहाँ रखे, हमको पता ही नहीं कि वो हाउस वाइफ ने छुपा के रख दी हर चीज. तो मैंने पहले ही पता लगा, यू नो, काली मिर्ची यहाँ होगी, नमक यहाँ होगा, ब्रेड पहले से मैंने रात को काट के छुपा के रखा हुआ था, सो दैट इन द मॉर्निंग आई कैन पुट इट ऑन द टोस्टर. चाय बनाना भी सीख लिया. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग माई एग. मैं अपनी जनता को बताना
Wow.
चाहता हूँ, मैं वही अंडा जो मैंने अपनी वाइफ के लिए बनाया, जो आजकल मैं कभी-कभी जब मैं थक जाता हूँ and I really want to go for food that I really love, I make this breakfast for myself.
Wow.
It is made of whites of an egg.
Okay.
That is, I mean, you can take yolk.
Healthy,
It
wonderful,
depends.
yes.
It depends on local.
Yes.
They can eat the yolk, but I have mushrooms, white of an egg, tomatoes, onions, olive oil,
Lovely.
and Annu Malik अपने style में शुरू करेगा. So I surprised my wife and she freaked out. When I took the entire plate and gave it to her in the morning, she said, "What is this? As a breakfast for you." And that was the time she looked up and said, "I'm not surprised you're Annu Malik." So guys, अभी मैं आपके सामने Annu Malik style एक भुर्जी बना रहा हूँ, which hopefully should turn out well
I'm sure.
because my wife loved it. और जब मैं उसको भुर्जी खिला रहा था, तो मैं एक गाना गा रहा था. एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो.
Wow.
I bought that tea for her. कोई उसको I was about to say कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो this पर कोई उसको पिलाने वाला हो.
Wow.
चाहे गोरा हो या काला हो, सीने से लगाने वाला हो, अरे मिल जाए तो मिट जाए हर गम. तारारम पम पम तारारम पम पम तारारम पम पम. तो she said, पहले भुर्जी तो खिलाओ ओ माय हस्बैंड. तो मैंने उसको
Breakfast मिले
शुरू
तो
किया.
ऐसा मिले. People, please learn.
But she does so much.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Wives
Behind
do
the
so much for their
scenes,
husbands.
yes.
Mothers do so much for their
Yes,
children. कि उनका
absolutely.
जितना शुक्रिया किया जाए कम है.
Absolutely.
I would say in the equation of husband and wife, आदमी बोलता है ना मैंने किया है, मैं बोलता सब आपने किया है. हम लोग 30% है, the woman is 70%.
Yeah.
दुनिया बढ़ ही नहीं सकती without the power of the woman and the love that they shower on you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So here it comes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start. जरा रेसिपी अच्छी तरह फॉलो करना. Please pay attention. यहाँ देखना है आपको.
Lovely.
अब देखिए.
Lovely.
So I'm Sheetal.
Yes.
This is olive oil.
Yes.
Am I right? Full olive oil.
Absolutely.
अच्छा बाय द वे मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि ऑलिव ऑयल आपके ऊपर है. कोई लोग बहुत कम डालते हैं.
हाँ.
मैं ऑलिव ऑयल से ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ. तो बहुत से लोग कम ऑलिव ऑयल डालते हैं. इट्स अप टू यू. आपको कम डालना है तो कम डालिए, ज्यादा डालना है ज्यादा डालिए. मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा डालता हूँ. सो आई स्टार्ट विद ऑलिव ऑयल. राइट.
Lovely.
देखते जाइए.
तो ऐसे सुना है कि आर्टिस्ट लोगों का खाने के साथ बहुत एक कुछ यूनिक कनेक्ट.
या है. यू नो व्हाई व्हाट हैपेंस इज द रीजन वेरी सिंपल. गाना अगर अच्छा है
हाँ.
तो खाना कमाल होता है. गाना गड़बड़ है तो हम लोग खाना छोड़ देते हैं.
हाँ.
बट एक बात है कि वी लव फूड
Yeah.
बिकॉज वी वर्क सो हार्ड. द फूड
has to
is
be.
a must for us.
Yes,
Great
yes.
food.
That's the fuel after all, right?
अब देखिए तो इसमें ऑलिव ऑयल काफी आ गया है.
और आप बिलीव करते हो कि जो जैसे आप मील खाते हो वैसे काम का भी आउटकम होता है. लाइक आर यू अ
Yeah, it depends. I
वेजिटेरियन?
believe no. I like veg more.
Okay, okay.
But I
for
take.
vegetarian.
I'm not against people eating non-veg. It's
Yeah,
up to
yeah,
them.
of course.
But I prefer veg.
Yes.
And मुझे तो दाल चावल में खुशी मिलती है.
Wow.
I love simple food. So guys, अब देखिए, Sheetal is going to follow the recipe very well.
Absolutely.
And मैं जैकी को सबसे पहले खिलाऊंगा.
हाँ जी.
ये मैं डाल रहा हूँ onions.
Okay, these are finely chopped.
They are
onions.
finely chopped onions. And उसको मैं कुछ नहीं करूँ. I'll keep on until they become slightly brown.
हाँ,
Slightly.
correct.
तो
हाँ,
इसकी
वो अनियन कच्चा कच्चा नहीं रहना चाहिए.
नहीं.
ना?
अब ये मैं अनियन स्टर कर रहा हूँ. खुशबू आना शुरू हो जाएगी. आप लोगों को पता लगेगा अन्नू मलिक का
Already
स्टाइल
आ रही है खुशबू.
आ रही है ना. इट्स वेरी इजी, वेरी फास्ट एंड वेरी टेस्टी.
करेक्ट.
अब ये अनियंस हो गए. राइट. इसके अंदर मैं टोमेटोज डालूंगा थोड़े. अच्छा मैं टोमेटो जितने डाल रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई लव टोमेटोज.
करेक्ट.
तो मैं ज्यादा डालता हूँ.
हाँ.
एंड सडनली यू फील कि ऑयल कम है. आई मे सडनली पुट अ लिटिल बिट मोर ऑयल.
राइट.
सो राइट नाउ अभी तो ठीक है. Sheetal, are you smelling something good?
Amazing. I know you created मतलब good ही होना चाहिए अनु जी. I'm a hardcore fan of your music. Playlist में अनु मलिक songs एक separate.
लोग देखते हैं और बोले अच्छा अन्नू मलिक सच्ची खाना बना रहा है.
इतना versatile music आप create करते हो.
So I'm stirring it well. तो tomatoes अपना रंग छोड़ रहा है. They're lovely red
Yes.
with the onions which are absolutely white.
Yeah.
And
he knows
then-
the timing. He knows what's happening. out
Yeah, it's
there.
all natural.
Yeah. All.
And then I put in little mushrooms. I wish there was a little cheese, लेकिन cheese नहीं है ना.
Okay, guys. So you can add in cheese.
So you can add in cheese. If you want, you can
Yeah.
put in cheese.
Yeah.
थोड़े में से 3-4 mushrooms डाले हैं. Not much. Now I'll add ginger to it. A little extra ginger डालता हूँ because I love ginger. ये देखिए. अब जितना oil, it sucks in oil, right? Because you put in tomatoes,
Yeah.
onions,
Yeah.
mushrooms, and with that, chilies का cut chilies ये हैं.
Yeah.
Little bit of cut chilies for taste.
Nice.
डाल
तो
दिया ना.
ऐसे अनुसार आप जैसे खाना आप पका रहे हो, उसमें भी आपके दिमाग में धुन चल रही होगी कुछ
You never know.
साउंड से कुछ ऐसा.
टमाटर भी है, प्याज भी है, मशरूम भी है, और अब डालेंगे वाइट ऑफ एन अंडा.
There you go. So apart from
अब क्या अच्छा ट्यून बन गया. तरारारीरा 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 तारारा. अब इसके अंदर गाना बन सकता है. इसको वर्ड चेंज कर दो.
हाँ जी.
मौसम भी है, बहार भी है, तू भी है और प्यार भी है.
Lovely.
ताराराम पम 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 पर हुगला नहीं. ताराराम पम 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 पम. चल साथ मेरे ओ हम सफर, कट जाएगा ये सफर. तुरुरु
Wow.
तुरुरु तुरुरु तुरुरु. अब ट्यून बनी अभी भी. तुरुरु तु. अरे बाबा ऐसे ट्यून बनाते बनाते मेरा अंडा.
नहीं. That's
So
so
that's
good.
little bit more oil. ज्यादा ऑयल नहीं, आपको ज्यादा लग रहा है, अभी भी कमी है.
नहीं,
हाँ?
कभी कभी थोड़ा ऑयल ज्यादा इज गुड इन योर हेल्थ.
But olive oil, olive oil.
एंड बिकॉज ये भी होता है ना कि हड्डियों को ऑयल की जरूरत
अब
होती है.
कसम से अब मैं डाल रहा हूँ 5 whites of an egg
यस.
and I'm putting it inside. It's easy, but trust me, once you eat it, look at this, huh? अब लोग सोच रहे हैं कि कैसा होगा. शीतल तू बताना खा के.
दिख तो सही रहा है सर.
हाँ,
बहुत सही रहा है.
पक्का.
एब्सोल्युटली.
थोड़ी इसकी आंच बढ़ा सकते हैं.
हाँ.
आंच मीन्स फ्लेम.
हाँ.
इसका फ्लेम बढ़ा दिया. Now keep on stirring it till you know it's done. Okay? अब I want pepper.
That's pepper sauce.
अब देखिए मैं काली मिर्ची डाल रहा हूँ. थोड़ी सी काली मिर्ची, पिंच ऑफ काली मिर्ची, 2 पिंच. और नमक मैं ज्यादा नहीं डालता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा डालता हूँ. इतना. Salt for taste only. Not so much salt
Yeah.
that it
Yeah.
overpowers the actual egg.
Yes. तो हम देख रहे हैं कि आपका टेस्ट काफी हेल्दी है. मतलब
Healthy भी है, it should be tasty. So once you
Yes.
eat it,
Tasty.
you will realize how healthy it is. It's
Yeah.
got olive oil,
Yeah.
onions, tomatoes, ginger,
yeah.
and you can eat it with croissant. But I would prefer toasted bread.
Yes. We
Arey,
plate
and
it with
if you're a
sauce.
health freak, then don't even eat bread.
Yeah,
you can eat it just like
have
that.
it as is. Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, it's done. The egg is ready, and I promise you, Sheetal will never lie. वो एक बाइट खा के बताएगी कितना टेस्टी है.
बहुत ज्यादा ये टेस्टी लग रहा है और इतना सिंपल है. ये आई थिंक दैट स्टोरी यू सेड कि वाइफ के लिए जाके किचन में बनाया.
गरम
हर
गरम.
कोई अपने गर्लफ्रेंड, पार्टनर, बॉयफ्रेंड, हस्बैंड, वाइफ सबके लिए
I
जाके
made it on a
बनाया.
Sunday morning, gave it to her. She was in bed. I said breakfast in bed.
Love
She
it.
said, what? And she rushed to the loo, she brushed her teeth and came back. I said, no, you're not going to the dining table. तुम यहीं खा. And she had it and she loved it.
वाह. और उसके साथ गरम चाय की प्याली.
वो तो गारा गारा.
चाय भी आपने ही बनाई?
Of course.
हाँ.
And masala tea.
मसाला चाय. वाह.
चलो, this is ready to be served.
जिन लोगों के लिए जो वेजिटेरियन है, एग नहीं खाती, ये सेम चीज वो पनीर में बना सकते हैं.
They can, very well said.
Yeah.
Same thing, you can take paneer.
Yeah.
With paneer, you can put mushrooms.
Correct.
You can put tomatoes, हरा धनिया.
Yes.
अच्छा, प्लेटिंग के ऊपर हम लोग जब आ जाएगा ना,
हम
we'll put
ऊपर
हरा
से,
धनिया.
yes.
To look, it looks
हाँ.
beautiful.
और जिनको लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट है वो टोफू भी खा सकते हैं.
Tofu भी खा सकते हैं, very well said. And also, I don't know much about that, but tofu is very a
Yeah,
good choice. And they can avoid cheese if they don't want.
Yes, of
Because
course.
some people don't like
Lactose,
They,
or they don't
don't
like
want
cheese.
any milk
Yeah,
or
yeah.
dairy product. But I love my milk.
Yeah.
I love my cheese.
Yeah.
I love my butter.
Yes, we all.
वो हमें शौक है क्योंकि इतना काम करते हैं यार, थोड़ा तो खा ले दो यार,
नहीं यार, खाने के बगैर कैसे होगा?
कसम से. So I'm so happy now. I'm waiting for the plating so that you guys enjoy this meal.
Yes. So tell us about your childhood, Anuji. I have heard that you started at the age of 14 and 15. I mean, that is a very, very tender age for anybody. Children were playing, they would be on the playground. And how did you think, how did music come into your head?
Sheetal, I think there was this time, which I've said it again and again, I used to sit at home and किसी कोने में बैठा हूँ and मुझे आदत थी. For example, I'll give you an example here, right here. ये बजा रहा हूँ, अब ये करता जा रहा हूँ. तो my father used to notice that. I was only 6. Then, और ऐसे ही बजाते बजाते अभी चल रहा है और अलग लगता है तू दू 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 दू. अच्छा, I'm not a learned musician, so I think it is सरस्वती माँ majorly because I'm a natural musician. ये नहीं कि मुझे एक्चुअली डैडी लेके गए थे to meet बाबा. बाबा इज प्यारे जी's फादर, प्यारेलाल जी's. तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि तुम पियानो बजाते रहो, E G B D F F A C E टंग टंग टंग. तो मैंने ठीक है बजाता हूँ मैं. सो डैडी से इसको लड़के में कुछ गुण है, सिखाइए. तो बाबा से तुम 4 घंटे तक यही नोट बजाना. एंड ही वेंट अवे समवेयर एल्स. ही वाज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट बट अ ग्रेट टीचर, वेरी टैलेंटेड. तो मैं बजा रहा था डंग 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 डंग. तो फिर मैं जरा बोर हो गया. अरे यार कब तक मैं एक ही नोट बजाता रहूंगा. तो मैं बजाने लगा तंग डंग 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 ऐसे कोई बजा रहा था ऐसे बजाने लग गया. तो ही हर्ड इट. व्हाई? बोले क्या बजा रहे हो? सर मैंने तुम्हें कहा था ना E G B D वही नोट बजाओ. So he got very angry. He hit me with the ruler.
Yeah.
I jumped. He caught my hand and took me back to my father. Said, Malik साहब, ये आपका बच्चा सीख नहीं सकता है. तो डैडी was shocked. मैंने उसको बोला था कि ये बजाओ और ये कुछ और बजा रहा है, लेकिन मैं एक बात कह के जा रहा हूँ, ये एक दिन बहुत बड़ा संगीतकार बनेगा. बाबा predicted this to my father. क्योंकि ये जो नोट बजा रहा था ये अंदर से आमद हो रहे हैं. तो दिस इज नॉट मी. I've been saying this again and again. Sheetal, it is only God.
Yes, yes. Because I know like children who get into music, like I personally have done my sitar, Visharad. It took me years to be able to, do sitar, give exams, but still the way you create, it's God gifted, it's coming from inside, or you were born with it.
कितनी अच्छी बात बोली आपने.
Past life.
So it has something to do with something. Yeah. Let's tell the audience, which I always do it in every show that I do. अभी मुझे तो पता नहीं कि right now तेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. So you write some words. Just give me some words. Give me a sentence, a phrase, हिंदी में. कुछ भी दे दे, कुछ भी एक phrase दे दे जो तुझे लगता है कि मुझे पता नहीं. This is not magic. This is how I create.
Right.
मैं जनता को बताना चाहता हूँ. I've come to this beautiful show कि how I create.
Yeah.
Just give me any word.
आज का दिन बहुत सुनहरा है, इसलिए कि हम सब we are all here.
ना अभी ये अलग चली गई. तो आज का दिन बहुत सुनहरा है. चलो ठीक है. तो अभी मैंने जो नोट गाए थे ना, अभी अलग अलग टेम्पो में आ सकते हैं. कोई प्रोड्यूसर बोलेगा, डायरेक्टर बोलेगा हमें स्लो चाहिए, कोई बोलेगा हमें हैप्पी गाना चाहिए. उसकी ट्यून फॉर्मेशन शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो मैं कहता हूँ आज का दिन बड़ा, मैं बना रहा हूँ, आज का दिन बड़ा सुनहरा है, आज का दिन बड़ा सुनहरा है, या आज का दिन बड़ा सुनहरा है, आज का दिन बड़ा, वही वर्ड सुनहरा है. तू मैं तेरी हूँ, मैं तेरा हूँ, तू मेरी है, प्यार अपना कितना गहरा है. मैंने अभी कुछ बना दिया. You know what I'm saying? आज का दिन बड़ा सुनहरा है. अच्छा अंदर से मेरे फ्रेजेस चल रहे हैं, मेरे को ब्रास चल रहा है. You know what I'm saying? I can't program that, बट दिमाग में चल रहा है स्ट्रिंग आज का दिन बड़ा. So my music producer understands कि ये लड़का जा रहा कहाँ है. आज का दिन बड़ा सुनहरा है, मैं तेरा हूँ तू मेरी है, अपना प्यार गहरा है. ताम 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 ताम. Now put brass. Ram pam cham pam 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 param pam pam. This is how I create.
Yes. Yes. So movie directors.
चलिए इसमें बोला कि गजल बना दो इसी वर्ड्स पर. आज का अभी द द द द अभी नोट सोच द दो 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 दो. आज का दिन बड़ा सुनहरा है. वही वर्ड.
Yeah.
मैं तेरा हूँ तू मेरी है, प्यार अपना गहरा है, वो आज का दिन बड़ा सुनहरा. अभी मुझे पता नहीं ठेका क्या चल रहा है, ये कौन सा ये दादरा चल रहा है कि क्या एक ताल चल रहा है कि झपताल चल रहा है. ताका चिकते के ताका दिन ताका चिक दिन. So I explain this to my music producer. This is what I want.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So he understands. अच्छा ये ठेका क्या है? तो चलता रहता है.
Correct.
तो इट्स अ कांस्टेंट प्रोसेस. मैं जब खाना बना रहा था तो भी चल. So I don't know. I've been trying to explain this to a lot of people.
Right.
I think you can come because close to what I'm thinking because you're married to a music producer yourself,
Yeah.
Jackie.
Yeah.
That it's a constant thread of creation.
Yes.
While we are talking, while we are sitting, while we are moving.
Yeah. Yeah.
हम लोग कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. And this applies not only to me, it applies to all musicians.
Yeah.
Whether they are great musicians
Yeah.
who play a different instrument,
Yeah.
or that every composer, if you ask him, वो बोलेगा कहीं ना कहीं एक thread. तो हम बात करें भी कैसे हैं आप, how are you, hi, nice to meet you अनु जी, वो सब चल रहा है, but अंदर hi, nice to meet you, good to see you. So you see a great musician, they're
Yeah.
always moving
Yeah.
because they कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता
Yeah.
है.
So blood doesn't flow inside you, music flows.
Good line, the punch line. शीतल ने बोल दी. Music flows in you.
देख के तो यही लग रहा है. अब तो does a movie director come to you? He knows he doesn't need a lyricist to write right now. So एक गाना बनाना है, just tell you the situation because you will come up with the lyrics, or how was it? Did the lyrics come to you first?
No, but the beauty is I love to understand a script. जितनी भी फिल्में मेरा म्यूजिक चला है, right from बाजीगर to till today दम लगा के हाइशा, जब डायरेक्टर मुझे अच्छी तरह बता देता है स्क्रिप्ट क्या है, then the music flows. Situations क्या हैं,
Yeah.
गाना कहाँ आने वाला है, why is this song coming, इससे पहले सीन क्या था, इसके बाद में सीन क्या होने वाला है. I keep on playing that in my head.
Yeah.
And it comes to me naturally.
Yes.
And then I feel the song should help the film to move forward.
Yes.
I mean, people आजकल आइटम सॉन्ग्स बनते हैं, हमने भी आइटम सॉन्ग बनाए हैं, लाइक नहीं हो तेरे बहन, चलो यार डांस वाला नंबर. ऐसे भी होता है कि यार डांस नंबर डाल देते हैं, लेकिन उसके अंदर भी we think आजा वे माही लेट्स डू बल्ले बल्ले. सो आई थिंक अगर यहाँ ऐसे ही गाना घुसा रहे हैं तो गाना ऐसा हो जो आगे चलकर ट्रेंड सेटर बन जाए.
Correct.
You know what I'm saying?
Correct.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
तो हम लोग बोलते हैं अगर गाना घुसाया जा रहा है, जब स्क्रिप्ट डिमांड ही नहीं कर रही, तो गाना ऐसा बनाओ कि लोग बोले अरे क्या तनांग कचिक दिंग तनांग कचिक दिंग कचिक दिंग तारे. अब जब हमने गाना बनाया था ना कवाली, तो इट बिकेम अ ट्रेंड. खाली चाटियां चल रही है, बायां नहीं चल रहा है, कुछ ऐसा करो. सो आई लाइक टू मेक सॉन्ग्स लाइक व्हेन आई मेड काली काली आंखें कि इट शुड प्ले फॉरएवर.
Right.
बट उसके बाद मुझसे भी नहीं बनता है.
Yeah.
कमाल की बात है, लोग बोलते हैं वापस काली काली आंखें बनाओ.
हाँ.
नॉट पॉसिबल. जो बन गया
बन गया.
देन यू मूव ऑन.
Yes.
आज का म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर कि यार वही साउंड वापस लाओ, उसको थोड़ी पता कैसे आया, वो आ गया, वो माहौल था, गाना बना, यू मूव्ड ऑन.
Right. And the different eras that you have been part from Lakshmikant ji to R.D. Burman, from there to you moved on. Your films like Bazigar, Refugee, Border, BV number 1, Jodi number 1, LOC Kargil,
No, so
Suri
the
Dhanga,
film, मतलब वहाँ से
350 film?
about more than 300. More than 300. I don't know that. And I hope still counting because जिनका नाम आपने लिया है लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल जी, उनसे तो बहुत सीखा. Because my gurus were Shankar Jageshwar, my own father, Sardar Malik Saab, R.D. Burman Sahab, Kalyan ji Anand ji. These people were magic.
Yes.
They actually showed us the way के गाने बनने किस तरह चाहिए, situation क्या होती है. So we used to hear them. I used to hear Lakshmikant Pyarelal and understand. I used to hear R.D. Burman, who incidentally is my favorite because he could compose a Chingari Koi Bhadke and could also do a Oh Hasina Zulfo Wali.
Yes.
So I will do a Sande Se Aate Hain and I will also do a Ek Garam Chai Ki Pyali Ho
Yeah.
या ऊंची है building. So Aks, Filhal, Fiza,
Yeah.
Til
Mard.
Mehuna, Mard, we started from 80s.
Yeah.
So I was what, 16, 17 when I started actually coming in with Poonam. So, but I still feel, honestly, Sheetal, on your show, I'll say, because you are the wife of a great music producer, Jackie Vanchara. I love him. He's done great work with me. Tremendous work. So, I believe that my best has not been tapped. Every musician will say that, but मैं अपने बारे में बताऊंगा कि मेरी जिंदगी एक कैरियर है. मैं यहाँ चले जाता हूँ, मैं टक करके यहाँ आ जाता हूँ. And my father used to say this. I said, Dad, ये कैसे बनता है? He told me. सर तो एक बात याद रहा, my father, I miss him very much. I miss him constantly.
Yes.
Like you will miss your
Yes,
father.
absolutely.
I miss him.
It's no getting over.
You know, it's not. It's like
Yeah.
you are there, but you're not there.
Yeah.
So my father used to tell me one thing which I now value very much as I faced so much. कि यार तेरे को ऐसा तोहफा मिला है ना, बहुत बड़ी बात बोल के चले गए. ऐसा तोहफा मिला है, ये जो तू गाने बनाता है, ये तोहफा है. It's a gift
Yes.
from the universe. So तेरे दोस्त कम, तेरे चाहने वाले कम होंगे और तुझसे नफरत करने वाले ज्यादा होंगे. Because not because they hate you, but they say, how does he do it? I mean, how does he do it? I don't have a studio.
Yeah.
I don't sit on a synthesizer.
Yeah.
I carry my music with me.
Yes. Yes.
You know what I'm
I've
saying?
seen that, yes.
And I'm grateful to Saraswati Ma'am. मैं खुद बोलता हूँ कि मैं how do I do it? मैं बोल के थक गया हूँ. It is not me. It is coming to me. You know what I'm saying? And गाने बनाना, उसको कंपोज करना, उसको समझना, it's the template is written in my head. कि गाना शुरू यहाँ से होगा, खत्म यहाँ होगा. कितने गाने के एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं हम आपको? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you have a Manmohan Desai who's working with Lakshmikant Pyarelal. He says, give me a very different song. तो आपको क्या मुखड़ा बनाना है which will impress him who's already heard the best?
Yes.
He's heard Lakshmikant Pyarelal. उनके सामने आप क्या गाना बनाएंगे? तो आपको ऐसा मुखड़ा बनाना है, मर्द टांगे, पिक्चर का नाम है मर्द. So मर्द, मैं बोला सर मर्द, okay. Now मर्द, क्या गाना बनेगा? मर्द पर गाना क्या बनेगा? मर्द, पिक्चर का नाम है. सर ओके, क्या करता है सर ये टांगा चलाता है. टांगा चलाता है, मर्द. So I said, I have to make a song which will impress him.
Yes.
So I wrote the Mukhada. First line was written by me. The first 4 lines. मर्द टांगे वाला, मैं हूँ मर्द टांगे वाला. And actually I remember मनमोहन देसाई ऐसे बैठे थे. बोला हाँ आगे. मुझे दुश्मन क्या मारेगा, मेरा दोस्त है ऊपर वाला. And he said, what a line. And then we put the melody.
Wow.
Tururu. Suddenly, so make a song that impresses the director, his script,
Yeah.
and this comes from there.
Yes.
This I don't know.
And Amit ji in that song, I mean, it is.
And to get a film with Amitabh Bachchan at that age, Amitabh Bachchan will always be Amitabh Bachchan. There will never be a man like him,
Yes.
an actor like him, a personality like him, a phenomena like him.
Yes.
और हम उनके सामने बैठ के गाना गा रहे हैं. बाहर है problem. I was what, 18 or 19? I was scared.
I know.
Totally very scared.
I
सामने
know.
अमित जी बैठे हैं. हाँ. And Amit ji doesn't give away much.
Yeah,
He looks at you like this. घर में है प्रॉब्लम, आगे पीछे आजू बाजू, प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम, डोंट वरी. एंड ही स्माइल्ड, बी हैप्पी, जस्ट स्माइल एट मी. एंड आई सेड, मनोहर देसाई स्माइल्ड एट मी. बोला, ही इज हैप्पी.
Yeah.
एंड ही sang the song.
But wouldn't you get nervous? I mean, the confidence.
No,
music
I
video.
did, but I don't get nervous per se what people say. एक nervousness होती है जब गाना मैं बनाने वाला होता हूँ ना. For example, Rajkumar Hirani's film, if you remember Munna by MBBS.
Yes, of
So I
course.
had Jackie in that. I remember the first time when Raju sir came to my house with Vidhu Vinod Chopra. Sheetal, you must hear this.
Yes.
सामने बैठे हुए हैं. And the situation that he gave me scared me. I'll be very honest. मैं बोला सर situation क्या है? Situation ये है. And by the way, Rajkumar Hirani has documented this on a Sony show. He has said this. कि मैं अन्नू जी के पास गया और अन्नू जी सामने बैठे हुए बाजा लेकर और वहाँ सिचुएशन बताई. सिचुएशन ये है कि रात को ये जो पेशेंट है जिमी शेरगिल, ये एक रात में उसको जिंदगी जीनी है और सुबह 4 बजे मर जाएगा. एंड द सॉन्ग इज गोइंग टू बी पिक्चराइज्ड इन अ हॉस्पिटल. नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन, आज गाना चल गया है, पर उस वक्त किसी कंपोजर को सिचुएशन दी जाए तो थोड़ा घबरा तो जाएगा. मैं डर गया था. बोला भाई, व्हाट डू आई कंपोज? So I got up, and he wondered why Annu Malik got up. मैं उठ के बाहर चला गया in my hall. I used to stay in Juhu at the time, and the door was open. राजकुमार हिरानी बोलते कि हमने देखा कि अन्नू जी was walking round and round his hall. तो मैं ऐसे चल रहा हूँ. मतलब 15 मिनट तक चल रहा है और हम देख रहे हैं. तो I was wondering कि ये आदमी को क्या हुआ क्या है. And then I came back, and I sat on the harmonium. And what I was thinking at that time, 15 minute, was hospital, रात का work, so other patients should not be disturbed. तो मैं गाना बनाता हूँ. So I started, देख ले, आँखों में आँखें डाल, सीख ले. And Raju sir and Vidhu heard the song. Then I didn't have the words. Rahat Indori would complete it. Du-ru-ru-ru-ru-ru, मरने के पहले जीना सीख ले.
Wow.
And Raju sir, I believe he just got up and I got scared. Why did he get up? Maybe I didn't give him a song which he wants. He gets up and says to Vidhu Vinod Chopra, we have found a composer.
Wow.
And that's how Munna Bhai was given to me. He said, क्या तूने सोचा कि रात का वक्त है and full night a girl will come, he will live his life, there will be a girl singing and dancing for him. He will look at the girl and suddenly he fades away and he fades away and he fades away, or he'll go away.
Wow.
And I don't know what was in Raju sir's mind, but the way he picturized it
Yeah.
was magic.
Yeah.
And then that nervousness की जो आप बात कर रही है, वो situation, how should I approach it? But if you ask me, I'm pretty cool with the talent God has given me. I don't get jealous of anybody's talent.
Of course.
I always praise other composers. Many composers know that I ring them up and say, तेरा गाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है. कभी मुझे इतने कॉल्स नहीं आते हैं. मुझे इतने कॉल्स नहीं आते हैं. 1-2 कॉल्स आए थे किसी के, क्या तेरा गाना अच्छा लगा. But Amit Trivedi gave me a call when he heard Momo Ke Dhage. I remember that.
Yeah.
Not many producers.
And that song, I believe, won the national
Yeah,
award.
it won the two national awards.
Yeah.
So, I like everybody's work. I feel the world keeps on changing. I like to change with the world.
Yeah, of course. Yes, of course.
I don't have this कि वो कंपोजर के पास ज़्यादा फिल्में हैं. मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं और अच्छा काम कैसे करूँ कि वो प्रोड्यूसर मेरे पास आए.
Yeah, because if your energy is into the toxic things, how will you be
Sheetal,
able to...
I can swear on the food that I've cooked today. ये रोटी है. जिन्होंने मुझसे भी बहुत नफरत की है ना, for reasons best known to them.
Yes.
I've never hated anyone.
Yes.
Because my father said, the day you have poison in your body, you'll not be a good composer.
I agree to that completely.
जो लोग बोलते हैं अन्नू जी क्या आप संत की बात कर रहे हैं? बोले नहीं, संत की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, मुझ में आता ही नहीं है. आप नफरत कर रहे हैं. मैं ये पूछता हूँ अपने आप से, यार क्या, why you hating me so much यार? मैंने आपको गाने दिए हैं, मैंने आपके साथ काम किया है, मैंने आपको हेल्प किया है, but still if you choose not to like me,
Yes.
I'm not going to waste my time wasting thinking why.
Yeah.
I move on.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? मैं approach करूँगा. I will keep on because I feel the karmas are very important. You know, you got to love everybody.
Yes. Yes.
You got to keep on loving and respecting everybody.
Correct.
And move on. Some people will hate you.
Yeah.
Some people will despise. They may not like your face.
Yes.
They may not like your face.
Absolutely.
They may not like the way you speak.
Yeah.
They may not like the way you move.
Yes.
They may not like the way you compose.
Yes.
They just नहीं यार हमें पसंद नहीं आदमी. उन्होंने opinion बना दी.
Correct.
But I'm not going to waste my time. If you can't change them, change yourself.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, if you can't change them. To quote Angelina Jolie, but she said a good line that made me cry. That there are so many talented people. दुनिया में बहुत है
हाँ,
शीतल,
हाँ जी।
इतना टैलेंट है दुनिया में कि इसका अंदाजा नहीं। अगर भगवान ने मुझे नाम दिया है, नोबेल दिया है, आई एम ग्रेटफुल। बहुत से लोग गाने बनाते हैं, बहुत से लोग गाना गाते हैं, बहुत से लोग कंपोजर्स हैं। मैं यहाँ तक भी पहुंचा हूँ जहाँ आप मुझसे खाना पकवा रही हैं और मेरी इज्जत कर रही हैं, तो सरस्वती माँ की कृपा है।
Absolutely, absolutely.
There are people suffering all over the world when you hear about fights and wars.
Yeah.
उनमें से कोई गाता होगा, कोई गाने गुनगा, but he's there or she's there. If I'm here, I should be grateful to God. I should be thanking God all the time. I'm not going to waste my time thinking, यार ये मुझसे नफरत क्यों करता है? अब मैं बताऊंगा। क्या बताओगे यार?
Yeah.
आपको भगवान ने बना दिया, आप भगवान का शुक्र करो।
Yeah, yeah. And I also believe that हमारी food language में सबका लाइक डिसलाइक अलग होता है। कोई बटर चिकन पसंद करता है, कोई चिकन कोरमा। बटर चिकन तो कॉन्फिडेंस खोएगा नहीं, उसको तो पता है वो बटर चिकन है।
But I'm not a chicken fan.
So similarly,
I'm a छोला भटूरा fan. I love Gujarati thali.
Yes.
You want to ask me? I love the Gujarati thali.
Yes.
Oh my God, I love
Yes,
thali.
I love that too.
I love kulchas.
Oh,
Anju, my wife,
yummy.
loves kulchas. Oh my God.
Yummy.
Yeah, she loves it. And we love Chinese food, which is, I go for veg Chinese.
हाँ, yeah.
Or egg fried rice at the most.
Yeah.
And Italian food. But nothing to beat Indian food. दुनिया भर में जाके आया, गरम गरम तंदूरी रोटी, दाल तड़का, काफी है भाई।
आपका इंडियन फूड इंडिया से कुछ लगाओ कुछ ज्यादा ही
Yeah,
है।
it's very, you're right.
I know
Because when I was young, I
that.
remember that song I made. यहाँ की लड़की वाह वाह,
हाँ.
बदन पे साड़ी वाह वाह, माथे पे बिंदिया वाह वाह, सारी जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, yo east or west, India is the best.
So, and India is proud to have you. What if you were born in another country and you would belong there? So it's great that we have you.
If there's a rebirth,
Yes.
I'm using the word if,
Yeah.
then please God, it should be in India.
Yeah.
मैंने गाना बनाया था, कसम ली है हमने, कसम ना तोड़ेंगे, we love you oh India, तुझे ना छोड़ेंगे,
वाह।
अगर मर जाएं तो हम बिछड़ जाएं तो इंडिया में लेंगे हम जन्म फिर से यार। I wrote that when I was just 22.
Seriously?
Yeah.
How did you just?
No, this country is magic. You go anywhere, when you come back to Mumbai,
Yeah.
when you come back, we used to call it Bombay, now we call it Mumbai. But यहाँ आते ही अंदर से जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय महाराष्ट्र आ ही जाता है।
Yeah. Yeah.
अरे you travel in Maharashtra,
Yeah.
will come to know क्या Maharashtra state है।
Yeah.
Go to forts,
Yeah.
go to, I've been further than Nasik. I've driven all the way to Kolhapur, the Belgaum Belt.
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful state.
Yeah. Just underrated, and we don't believe in.
No, I
traveling.
rate it as the best.
Yes.
It's huge.
Yeah.
India is best. If you go to Himachal,
Yeah.
you go to UP, you go to MP, you go to Gujarat, you go to the interiors
beautiful.
of South,
Yes.
you go to Bengal, you go anywhere, you go to Punjab, you go, you realize कि क्या it's a magical country.
Yes. Absolutely.
And magical food, because we're doing a food show.
Yeah.
Every state has what food?
Different taste, different flavor.
Yeah,
थोड़ा दूर निकल जाओ, पूरा taste,
I love,
ingredients सब बदल
if you
जाते
see Bihar ka khana,
हाँ.
I know many people don't talk about it. The litti chokha is there.
Oh.
Then, oh my God, it's so tasty.
Amazing.
You-
And even the oils they'll use mustard oil, कहीं पे coconut oil use होता है, तो flavors
You will be
change हो
surprised. Have you
जाते
been to
हैं.
Odisha?
No.
You have to have the food there.
Really?
Oh, it's you feel it's like Bengali food, but it's completely different. And the taste, I can't understand what ingredients is used. Even in dal ka taste alag hai, sabzi ka taste alag hai, but
In
it's
Mumbai?
so. Odisha food. No, I went to Bhubaneswar.
Oh, okay.
Outstanding people and outstanding food.
Oh. Lovely.
And then apna varan bhat, Maharashtra mein.
हाँ.
After all the hoopla and drama,
You
garam
come to
garam
basic.
varan bhat. Oh my God, you love
Lovely.
it.
ऊपर
Nothing
से
better.
घी आ जाएगा तो
क्या
एकदम
बात है। हम लोग तो
मजा आ
इतना बातें
जाएगा।
कर रहे हैं खाने की, हम लोग तो खाने की बात करते रहेंगे।
हाँ, खाने की बात और म्यूजिक की बात। Sir, one thing I really need to ask you, and I want to know even for my own self, like इतने storms आते हैं, तो उसमें आप strong रहते हो, आप consistently, as many times I've met you, this is the same energy. Like with me also it happens ना, कभी I'm like high on energy, कभी थोड़ा सा चुप रहते हैं, थोड़ा low on energy. Annu Malik, today my entire staff team knows. They said that today you are very hyper, you're very happy, excited. What? I said, you know who's coming on my show, right?
How sweet of you to
so
say
your
that.
energy rubs on to people. So how do you maintain that? How can I maintain that? Do you do some kind of meditation or practice or just your music?
I think somewhere it's how you are inside. Somebody said a good thing recently. I'd gone to a friend's family's function where Zayed Khan, he lost his mother, and we used to love Susan. She was a Sundar, you know, like
Yeah.
Zayed was there, Susan was there, Farah was there, Simone was there, all three sisters. And Zayed said, Mom used to love your songs.
Yeah.
Sing something. So I said, Zareen ji was such a beautiful lady. And Susan was there. She was looking, मैं क्या गाऊंगा? Zayed was wondering, मैं क्या गाऊंगा? Anju was there, Anmol was there. And suddenly you're talking about energy. You know, I started singing, and then I realized music is the greatest gift.
Yeah.
Music is that keeps me going. Missing Zareen ji, I had tears in my eyes, and Abbas Bhai, Sanjay Khan Saab was there. Suddenly Zahir added something, and he said something that made me actually smile. Said, you've just grown in age, you're still the child. And I think that explains your question, that
Keep the child alive.
you have to understand that the world keeps on changing automatically around you. It keeps on. But if you start changing with them, being them, be yourself.
Yeah.
Somebody said a good line to me many, many years back. I said, you know what I like about you, Mr. Annu Malik? I said, the imperfectness in you.
So right.
It's that imperfectness.
I can second that.
Yeah, the imperfectness. You're imperfect, and that's what I like.
Yeah.
I mean, you're like a child.
Yeah.
So Zareen ji loved me, and she was like, okay, he's going to sing a song. I sang Kali Kali Aankhein. She used to love it. So he said, "Tu child hai," Zayed said. So I think I retain that childishness, and I feel, okay, one more thing I'll add. I feel that no one is bad. Circumstances make you what you are. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना ये खराब है, ये है. Who are you to judge people?
Yeah. Yeah.
I never judge people by saying यार ये. Why?
Yeah.
शायद उसके माहौल ऐसा होगा that made him act and behave like that.
Maybe if you were in that
Yeah.
situation.
So what I do is I'm not being philosophical.
Yes, no, but
And I'm not giving a pravachan.
Yeah.
I step out of that zone and realize even if somebody said something to me, very people close to me have insulted me. Very close to me have humiliated me. And the people say, यार you retaliate नहीं करता है. मैं each to his own. उसके कर्म उसके साथ, अपने कर्म हमारे साथ. हमारी मेहनत, हमारा काम है मेहनत करना, आगे बढ़ना. इस तोहफे को संभाल के रखना. And I think when I don't burn my energy hating others, my strength comes.
Yeah.
You're saying that I am feeling excited being with Annu Malik. I'm hyper being with Annu Malik. I'm happy Annu Malik has come. It's because people still can't believe it. नहीं यार अन्नू जी आप ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं. But I think Jackie knows me.
Yeah.
मेरे में गुस्सा है नहीं. कभी थकन हो जाती है.
Yeah.
I said यार उम्र हो रही है. नहीं उम्र क्या हो रही है? You're still. So I don't come with the feeling of hatred, or I don't carry negativity. I don't say मैं कुछ बताऊंगा आपको. क्या बताओगे यार? भगवान ने आपको बनाया है. उसका शुक्र करने का वक्त है. I help people.
Yeah, I know
I'm just-
that.
what I do-
I know that.
I've helped countless singers.
Yes.
I've helped producers. I've helped directors. I don't. जो मुझे पैसा मिल जाए मैं ले लेता हूँ. मैं उनमें से आर्ग्यू भी नहीं करता हूँ कि मुझे ये चाहिए. बोलते हैं हमारे पास नहीं है. कोई बात नहीं. जय माता दी. आ जाएगा. You know what I'm saying? You may call it society service or समाज सेवा, but in somewhere you got to keep on giving.
Yeah.
It comes back.
Yeah, absolutely.
And don't expect something when you help somebody. कि यार मैंने तेरे लिए ये किया था यार, ये भी खराब है. ये अगर आपने कर दिया तो help has no meaning.
Yeah.
Do it and don't keep on tom-tomming कि मैंने ये किया है, फिर प्रेस में डाल दो कि हम वहाँ वहाँ हम किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हैं. बोलो मेरे बारे में तारीफ करो. क्यों? अगर आपने हेल्प किया तो किया है,
Yeah.
चुप रहने का।
Yeah.
हम करते हैं, लेकिन इसको हेल्प किया ये बोलना रॉन्ग है।
Yeah.
जस्ट डू इट।
Yeah. Absolutely.
सो इट गिव्स मी सैटिस्फैक्शन।
Absolutely.
A small example मैं बताता हूँ, which I hope helps you also, helps everybody.
Of course.
Someone from Swiggy or Zomato comes. 1:30 बजे हैं, दोपहर के 1:30 पौने 2 बजे हैं, धूप है, और वो आया खाना लेकर। आपने कुछ ऑर्डर किया, and he knows he's carrying good hot food for you, right? कोई भी वर्कर, कोई भी आता
Yes.
है, तो मैंने दरवाजा खोला, he sees me. कितना हुआ सर? आपको पेटीएम करना है कि क्या करना है? मैंने बोला बताओ बिल कितना है, मैं दे देता हूँ। सडनली ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे मुंह से निकलता है, आप कुछ खाओगे? क्योंकि ये आजकल बंद हो गया है।
Yeah.
तो बोलता है नहीं सर, क्या नहीं, इट्स ओके। एक ने मुझे एक दिन बोला सर कुछ भी, एंड आई वाज स्टन्ड। आई वेंट इनसाइड, माय वाइफ सडनली पैक्ड अप समथिंग, सेड ये
Yeah.
लो।
Yeah.
फिर बोला धूप बहुत हो रही है, ये ड्रिंक ले लो। नॉट टू फील हैप्पी,
Yeah.
इट्स
Yeah.
नॉर्मल।
Yeah.
वो आदमी आया, बट मैं ये ब्राउनी पाउंड्स के लिए नहीं बोल रहा
नहीं,
हूँ।
correct.
इट्स नॉर्मल। आई कीप दैट अलाइव।
Yeah.
आई कीप दैट अलाइव कि आदमी की इज्जत करो।
Yeah. You have seen life very closely.
Yeah,
and we are fortunate. People who get an opportunity to see life closely, I think we are really blessed if you've gone through struggle, seen where you're going for hours working, not getting an entire meal on your table and all. It teaches you so much.
Yeah,
in
it teaches you to
life.
be humble. It teaches you to be
so much in
grateful,
life.
and it teaches you to respect every human.
Yes.
And be kind as much as you can to everybody. And कभी-कभी गुस्सा आ भी जाए तो उसको पी जाओ और turn it into creativity.
Yeah.
मेरे पास जितना भी मेरे बेस्ट यूज बने, जब मेरे किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोला है ना, तो I go back to the piano, I go back to the harmonium, start making a tune. कभी काम तो आएगी।
Huh. And everybody has come from that space. If you have not, there is a chance that you may get into that space.
Yes.
Life is very uncertain, very unpredictable.
Sheetal, I've seen so much struggle, and I've seen such high
Yes.
कि ऐसा लगता है मैं वहीं रहूंगा। And then that drop,
Yes.
which when you fall down, you realize कि तुम कुछ हो ही नहीं। And God smiles.
Yeah.
You have to rise from here.
Yeah.
कि मैं ही था, God says.
Yeah.
It was me who made you. So then you go bow down to God. I'm a firm believer in Krishna. I believe my life changed after it's only Krishna.
Surrender.
I always say Jai Shri Krishna. I'm a firm believer in Hanuman ji. I believe a lot in Ram ji. My wife being a Saraswati Brahmin, she's been the absolute total strength in my life.
Yes.
कभी कभी मजाक में बोलते रहते हैं, सब लोग बोलते रहते हैं, अनु मलिक अवार्ड तेरे साथ साथ इसको मिलना चाहिए। The way she handles me, both my daughters, I mean, they are my absolute strength.
Yes.
That's also the energy. I get my energy from them.
Correct. And you are blessed with 3 women powers
Yeah,
around. It
major.
is
I was blessed
like-
with my mother,
Yes.
and then now my
Mom
wife
as
and my 2
well,
daughters.
yes.
Yeah, they are the only strength. This is my core family.
Yes.
This is the family which I feel has made me survive the storms.
Yes, absolutely. And apart from the song, the storms, your song, my favorite is the one that Moulin Rouge. I want to talk
Oh,
about
yes.
that specially.
Shamba,
I've
Shamba.
heard that like a zillion times, the Moulin Rouge version and then your version. And how did this magic happen when that track comes
So-
in the film?
But you know what? इसका भी दर्द ज़्यादा है इसमें. I was in San Francisco for a show. And मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट था उस जमाने में, अभी है कि नहीं पता, बीटल नट द नेम ऑफ द, और मैं खाना खा रहा था, सामने थिएटर था और वहाँ लिखा था मोलान रूज। तो मैंने द फूड इज गुड, चलो आज जाके पिक्चर देखते हैं। सो आई क्रॉस्ड ओवर फ्रॉम द रोड एंड वेंट इनटू द थिएटर। और जब पिक्चर देख रहा था, वाज एंजॉयिंग इट, बास डोरमैन। सडनली गाना बजा, छम्मा छम्मा
my
बाजे
God,
रे
it
तेरे।
gives goosebumps.
अच्छा ये तो मेरा गाना है। और मगर द ट्रेजेडी वाज, सबका नाम है उसमें, लिरिक राइटर का नाम है, सिंगर का नाम है, कंपनी का नाम है, मेरा ही नाम नहीं था। एंड आई वाज सो शैटर्ड, आई वाज क्राइंग।
Really?
Yeah, I was crying in the theater. I rang my wife from there. You know what? Our song is in this film. मेरा नाम नहीं है। And I was, उस जमाने में मुझे कॉपीराइट के बारे में पता भी नहीं था ये सब। And then I came back. And then Baz Luhrmann came to India, visited and said, "I'm sorry," and blah blah blah. And I said, okay.
But we like relate to not because I know a lot of people who are not aware also. Chamma Chamma means we know Anu Malik, and Moulin Rouge mein Chamma Chamma means Anu Malik.
Yeah, so you know this
that is
Rajkumar
not Anu.
Santoshi.
Yeah.
I remember when he was making China Gate,
Yeah.
and Urmila Matondkar, so fabulous
my
actor,
God, yes.
fabulous actor, fabulous dancer, said, I need one song that really brings the house down.
Yes.
So गाना बन रहा नहीं था,
हाँ.
तो मेरे दिमाग में एक वर्ड आया, मैं बोला सर छम छम तो सब बोलते हैं, छम छम, बोला हाँ, कैन वी टर्न छम इनटू छम्मा? तुझे कैसे? मैं बोला देखा देखी दिल मेरा रुल गया रे, छम छम छम, एक परदेसी दिल रुल गया रे, ऐसे छम्मा, मैंने छम्मा, he loved it. And then the way Alka ji sang it,
Yeah.
the way it was picturized, oh
Yeah,
my God.
yeah.
So it all fell into place.
Yeah, and even when you narrate, you're narrating this to me, and your voice does magic to any track that you.
Oh my
I don't
God.
know what it is. So that is another blessing apart from being a great composer, because when you your voice comes in, it's
Yeah, I think people, I owe a lot of my success to the people of my country, India. I think my fans have never let me down.
not at all.
दुनिया मुझे छोड़ दे, लेकिन the fans love me. They just love me. Somehow I feel you will never have a unique voice like Kishore Kumar. You will never have a unique voice like Mohammed Rafi Saab. You will never have a Lata Mangeshkar again. You will never have. They are great singers. There are
Yeah.
Asha Bhosle. But I think my voice doesn't resemble anybody. It's Anu Malik. Whether you love my voice or you don't love my voice. But जैसे मैं गाया, जानम समझा करो, उसका लोग जोक्स बनाएंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे, लेकिन they know this is the new voice.
Yeah.
You know, जानम समझा करो, जानम समझा, तो लोग बोलते हैं हाँ यार अनु मलिक गा रहा है, तो हंसेंगे भी, सब कर रहे हैं, गाना चलता है पब्लिक में.
हाँ, पर वो भी जब खुद गाते हैं तो अन्नू मलिक की आवाज में ही गाएंगे. The way you have sung it, they will
But
sing
frankly,
it.
I'll tell you something. When they try to imitate me, I'm not like, मैं ऐसा नहीं गाता हूँ. अगर ऐसे गाना तो गाना
No,
चलता
but
ही
that
नहीं.
attempt from their end is like because they like what they hear, right? So
Yeah, I think they like the uniqueness.
Yeah, correct.
They
That's
like the
thing.
uniqueness.
Yeah.
So if you have to have a voice of your own, when you have a voice of your own,
Then that-
it stays back with the audience's heart.
Yes.
So they respect other singers. They are great singers.
Yes.
I don't claim to be a pro singer.
Yeah.
I'm a
Yeah.
pro composer.
Yeah.
But when I need a singer, personally, I'll go to a singer and say,
Yeah.
"Ke bro, संदेश से आते गाना है." So I needed a Sonu Nigam,
Sonu Nigam.
and I needed a Arup Kumar Rathod for that song
Yes.
because it's composed by me, written by Javed Saab, but somehow you need a singer to take that song to that level.
Yeah.
I didn't sing that song, but जो गाना मुझे लगता है मैं गा सकता हूँ, वो मैं ही गा सकता हूँ,
Yeah.
कोई गाएगा नहीं.
Yeah, correct.
And it happens.
And you do full
Like Gauri, 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 Gauri. My favorite singer was KK at that time. You know, KK,
Oh,
I miss
wow,
him.
yeah.
I miss him as a human being. I miss him as a singer. And he was the one who told me, when मैं गाना गा रहा था ना, तो मैं बोला KK मुझे लगता है यार पता नहीं मैं गा पाऊंगा कि नहीं. अरे सर आपने जो गाना गाया, आपको जो Gauri, 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 he imitated me.
Yeah.
Said that is magic. And KK was such an honest person. I confided in KK. You know what happens?
Yes.
जब हम साथ में
Yes.
बैठे हुए हैं,
Yeah.
KK मुझे लगता है यार, I think I'll avoid this. So no, don't do that. KK said this to me. I'm sharing first time. Okay, don't do that. मतलब जो तुम हो आ गए, you know, तो जो आप कर रहे हो ना, तो your range is mid range. But जब आप थोड़ा high note लेते हो, तो it sounds good to my ears.
Yeah.
जो तुम हो
Yeah.
do 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 do, देवी 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 है हवा. So I suddenly felt, if KK is saying I should sing it, let me sing it. And then when Farah heard it, she said she loved it.
Yes.
So I think I'm confiding to a lot of guys that KK was the one who said Galu, and I miss him.
Of course, he was fabulous.
Oh my God, Jackie was there for that song Ding Dong Ding Dole. Oh my God, that song. Mehbooba, Mehbooba. Remember?
Yes,
Mehbooba.
yes,
So I told Jackie, my freeze there, dang 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 dang, and he came out with this thin note, dang 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 dang. It's played ad nauseam on Instagram. तो कितनी reels बनते हैं?
Yeah, yeah.
तेरे इश्क, and I took KK to sing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I miss all those guys.
Yeah.
So 90s का जो आप म्यूजिक का बोलती है ना, before you even ask me the question, I think I was blessed
Yes.
to have such awesome singers.
Yeah.
From Shanu to Alka to Sonu to Sunidhi
Yeah.
to Shreya
Yeah.
to Sadhna
Yeah.
to Vinod Rathod.
Yeah.
You know, all of these singers
Yeah.
were the ones, and great lyric writers, great actors. I always say that I was blessed to have great stars.
Yeah.
You know, you have an Akshay Kumar with you.
Yeah.
You have a Shah Rukh, you have a Amitabh Bachchan, you
Yeah.
have a Salman, you have an Amir. So I think it fell into place.
Yeah.
Somehow I only would say that it is only because of God
Yeah.
that I'm here.
Absolutely. And that uniqueness of your voice, I think Ada, your daughter, has taken it because her voice
Anmol.
is...
Anmol is the
sorry.
one who sings
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Anmol has got a great tone. Her tone is magic. I keep
Yeah.
on telling people
Yeah.
that exploit this voice because this is a tone.
Unique, yeah.
Yeah, she's got a real tone.
Yeah.
But she said, Daddy,
Yeah.
let me struggle.
That song she
I'm-
sang is like...
Yeah, now there's one song that she
mind
sang and
blowing.
Jackie's done this music production. That song, even Jackie said, I loved the tone.
Yeah.
And Jackie went
Yeah.
around telling everyone whom he met,
Yeah.
okay, this voice should be taken. I was very impressed when he said that.
Yeah, yeah. And her first song was, I believe, just...
Again, Jackie had produced that.
The
मेरा ही गाना था वो.
Kanji Ban Gayi. Oh my God.
मैं taka taka taka
that
taka na
was-
वे. She was firing. I said, ये taka 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 na वे कैसे आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ.
But she's got a style.
अनु मलिक जी की बेटी एकदम वो
नहीं, but I-
गाना तो she...
But she doesn't like me to talk much about her, so we'll avoid that. She
Yeah.
said, don't talk much about me. So she gets little.
Yeah.
She said,
yeah.
Daddy, you talk about yourself.
No, her songs, you know...
Both my daughters say, Daddy, talk about yourself. And they are very hardworking. I'm proud of them.
Yeah, I'm
and they're
sure.
doing that. Struggle सबकी होती है.
हाँ, हाँ, वो तो
Everyone
है।
has to struggle. I mean,
Yeah.
the ones who made it also in this
Yeah.
world,
Yeah.
without struggle नहीं बन सकते.
That was my next
जिन्होंने
question.
बहुत जो भी लोग नाम कमाया है ये सिंगर्स ने इनका रियाज मैं बताऊं
हो ही नहीं सकता।
I've seen सोनू निगम क्या रियाज करता है
Yeah.
even till today I've seen Shreya Ghoshal the way
Yeah.
she works on her voice the
Yeah.
way she surrenders herself
Yeah.
to her riyaz.
Yeah.
I've seen Sunidhi Chauhan,
Yeah.
the way they've been working. So all these singers, Shanu, Alka, they have really worked hard.
And you know, this is amazing what you just said. It does not matter in this industry whose daughter you are, whose child you are. You
In
can
the
be
end, it's
Anu
your
Malik's
talent.
daughter,
आपके
in
अंदर
the
जो
end,
है
you
वो
have
सामने
to-
नजर आ जाए. इंग्लिश में कहावत है, talent
Yeah.
sticks out like a sore
Yes.
thumb. अंगूठा जब दरवाजे की तरह आ जाता है लाल हो जाता
And you
है.
can't-
If you're talented, वो नजर आ जाता है.
Yeah, or you can't bypass hard work, struggle. You cannot.
Not at all.
You
Not
cannot.
at all. So Sheetal, now I want you to try this egg which is cooked by me. So let the world see this egg. It's been plated
Lovely.
beautifully. And Sheetal, तू सच बताना, what do you feel about this?
मैं
Honest.
तो अन्नू भाई आपको तो 100% सच.
मैं भी खा के देखता हूँ.
I've seen the
मैं
way
सच
that-
बताऊंगा.
हाँ.
I tell you, magic.
You know, I'll be very honest.
Yeah.
I did not. The ingredients, the recipe you made, me being a chef also, I did not think that ये तो कुछ और ही इसको.
देखो इसमें it's very
taste आ
healthy.
रहा है.
It's very healthy.
It's beyond
If
your
I didn't like it, मैं
ingredients.
दूसरा बाइट लेता नहीं. देखो.
It's beyond your ingredients, sir. It's too good. It's really turned out so good, guys. I am not even joking. This burji or scramble, Anu Malik style, is turned out so delicious, and that ginger.
When
Oh my
the ginger
God.
breaks in your mouth,
Yeah.
and thoda chili when it breaks in your mouth, and the tomatoes all fell into place. Oh my God, this I can live on this burji forever.
Yeah, me too. This one, breakfast, lunch, dinner, I can have.
And I love the sourdough bread also.
Yeah,
it
it's
complements the egg.
amazing
Yeah.
with sourdough.
मैं तीसरा खा रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
Sorry, Jackie. Jackie को मिलने वाला है.
Lovely.
Oh my God! Look at the onions. Right amount of onions, right amount of tomatoes, right amount of pepper, salt. इसमें एक ही बात है. It's a healthy breakfast. It's not like very heavy, so you can spend the entire day with this
Yes.
and only go for your evening snack
Yeah.
and then don't have dinner.
Yeah. complete diet plan. You are so absolutely right. It is so good. And the taste, flavor, you're so satisfied. You'd be satisfied eating this.
Yeah.
You won't ask for anything.
Yeah.
It's lovely. So now we have a rapid fire round for you.
Okay.
Okay, and you will answer our questions. It is related to food and your music, of course. So, a meal that pairs or connects with your music, your comfort food,
A meal that
connects to your music.
I think there's a lot, but the meal that I literally love will always be garam chawal, hot rice, nice dal tadka with chopped chilies fine, tadka made in ghee, little achar, baju mein hari mirchi to look good, and you'll be surprised, hot बैंगन का भरता,
Wow.
hot, really tasty बैंगन का भरता. So you have शुद्ध शाकाहारी, चावल, दाल, a कड़क तंदूरी रोटी. You get what I'm saying? And it makes me feel very, very happy.
Yes.
और अगर और मूड में आया, so I like अंजू के हाथ का बना हुआ Konkan fish curry rice.
Wow.
That is a pomfret fish with typical, they call it ghashi,
Huh.
with lovely curry that she makes.
Yeah.
She calls it humud.
Huh.
Humud she calls it. It's got red chilies
Uh-huh.
with potatoes. Sometimes if I was veg or it's only fish, it's sublime. I love it. And the third most favorite food of mine is, and I'm very, very happy, I like a Gujarati thali.
Ah.
So I can go on and on.
Yeah.
And तू मुझे
Yeah.
कितने बार पूछेगी, then suddenly पूरा Indian food आ जाएगा चारों तरफ.
But जिस तरह से आपने वो खाने को describe किया ना, now I know how the lyrics in your song happened. I could literally imagine all that in front, and I'm literally drooling with your description.
Yeah, but I love this kind of food.
Yeah.
And मगर it should be मेरे wife के हाथ का पका हुआ.
हाँ.
Because the way she makes
Of
it,
course.
I think she pours in all her love.
Yeah.
First I hum the song to her, and she looked at me.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
And then suddenly the food is fantastic.
Yeah, yeah. So the way to your heart is your stomach and only through
Good food.
Food, correct. So childhood food memories. बचपन कैसा था खाने के साथ relation?
I think I've never ever had more tasty food than what my mother used to cook for me.
Again.
Oh my God, she used to make me. She knew that I love gajar matar ki sabzi. I love it. The way she used to make those big rotis with gajar matar, and she said, "ये मेरा पता नहीं ये शुद्ध शाकाहारी खाने वाला बच्चा कैसे पैदा हो गया." So ये she used to always ऐसे मम्मी आज बैंगन बनाओ, मम्मी आज गाजर मटर की सब्जी बनाओ, and it was divine. My father, in spite of all the struggles, I don't remember one day when he didn't give me the food which I wanted.
Yeah.
And I will always be grateful to my father. हम लोग माँ की बात तो करते हैं लेकिन भूल जाते हैं कि
He's the bread.
जो
Yeah.
बाप होता है वो अपना ही how he supports
Yes.
silently. So his
Contribution.
yeah.
Yes.
So my bachpan was, I love this बैंगन का भरता. I love this आलू मटर की सब्जी. In fact, my wife makes very good आलू वड़ी which she learned from my mother. वड़ियाँ होती है ना?
Yes.
Oh, I love it. The
Yeah.
curry is pungent,
Yeah.
but then I love to put it on rice and eat it.
तो ये है ना बात सर कि दिन कितना भी टफ होए, स्ट्रगल्स कितने भी होए, पर खाना अच्छा मिले तो खा के
कसम से।
सो जाओ, नेक्स्ट डे इज अ न्यू डे.
फिर देखना, फिर लड़ेंगे.
Correct. So how do you enjoy eating food in the company of your loved ones, or you like to sometimes eat in solitude and you're thinking about your music?
No, I'll confide in you. I like eating food with my wife and my children.
Okay.
I love it when we are all on the table because that's breakfast time or lunch time or dinner time, and luckily my daughters support that. I love to talk. I love to understand. I love to feel wanted, and I love to discuss about the food. And they know Dad loves to give his opinion on the table.
Correct.
So I love that.
Yeah.
And even when I was used to record, I think Jackie also remembers, ma'am, we used to always at lunchtime, we used to all sit down together. So मेरे घर से डब्बा आ रहा है, something is coming, and we've recorded a good piece. I've done a good composition, and then all are praising me, and then suddenly even if it was vada pav, even if it was samosa, vada pav or pav bhaji, but I prefer all of us sitting down together and eating food.
Correct.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like the warmth of
In the
people
company.
talking
Yes.
and discussing
Yes.
things. And if I'm alone, I'll call people. Aja yaar, khana khate hain. I learned this from Yash Chopra uncle. When I used to struggle, I remember Yash uncle go to his office. If it was lunchtime, he used to make me sit down. Such a big man to make me sit down and say, "Aja, kuch khate hain." I was not even known in the world, but he used to make me eat this rajma chawal, which was favorite, and lovely rajma chawal, and then thanda raita, and aloo gobi ki sabzi, and what not. I said, wow. So I learned that from people that the more the
Observe and
merrier.
absorb.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Now, what is part of Anu Malik's playlist? Do you listen very often to your own music, or what if I have to scroll through your playlist?
I don't have I'm so lost in the way I'm creating music. I don't remember suddenly, but I remember I grew up I used to love Beatles very, very much. That was around then I started loving Michael Jackson. And lately I have enjoyed songs. Thanks to my daughters, I understood songs like Adele. I've enjoyed her work. But now there's so
much
new composers, new singers that have come in. It's hard to keep track of them.
Yeah.
But the ones who catch my ears are the ones who have melody in them.
Yes.
So it could be a new composer.
Yeah.
I like Karan Aujla's Tauba, that song. I like that way he sang it. I've liked Diljit Dosanjh's work.
Yes.
The young talent. I love Guru Randhawa also. I love these people who have come into the scene. I love the new composers that are coming in with a lot of new sounds and a lot of great melodies.
Yeah.
So I'm enjoying music.
Yeah.
Per se, and all are doing such great work. You can't pinpoint one particular singer right now. All are singing very well. All are creating very well. And technology has taken music to a different level.
Yes, absolutely. And does technology seem scary? I mean,
It did once upon a time, but I think you have to learn to adapt. See, example, if you start getting scared of technology, it's there to stay. It's not going anywhere.
absolutely.
And I won't call it a monster. It depends how you react to it. First, we used to work on live musicians. Then we started working on different, I won't name all the, for example, someone say I'm working on a garage. Someone say I'm working on a window. So we started understanding that ये भी दुनिया है. This is the way they are programming now.
Yeah.
And now suddenly with AI coming in, it's a different world altogether.
Yeah.
So it's changing all the time. You got to adapt
You
to
have
it
to change.
and keep on loving it,
Yeah.
embracing it.
Yeah.
If you don't embrace it, हमारा ज़माना वो था, हमारा time ये था, हमने वो किया, अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? So I like to keep on working as long as I'm there. I like to understand that these are people who are very talented. They're doing very good work. There are great singers, as I told you. There are great composers, as I told you. So to earn their respect, you'll have to come out with a tune
Yes.
which a young composer says, भाई इसने कमाल गाना बनाया. So I don't want to rest on my past laurels कि हमने ये किया and all that. अभी कुछ कर रहा है. So I'm enjoying, and there is a feeling that when I am working again, I'm feeling that I'm adapting very well, and people are enjoying my work.
Of course, we always enjoy your work.
Thank you.
And now your energy mantra. What plan do you suggest that keeps you so positive and energized?
I think I pray. I believe in the power of God. As I told you, I'm a firm believer in Lord Krishna, Hanumanji. I pray. I think positive. In spite of all the ups and downs, sometimes it lets you feel when things are not working around you the way you want them to work.
Yeah.
You tend to feel a little low.
Yeah.
You got to fight that.
Yeah.
So we are in an ever-changing world of something new always happening. So what I would advise people is not to give up.
Right.
Sometimes the circumstances may make you feel like you want to give up and throw it all away. But then I look at people who struggle through the day
Yeah.
with a smile.
Yeah.
A watchman
Yeah.
of your building.
Yeah.
I'll go up to him and speak to him. A lift man.
Yeah.
So people wonder, my daughters also say, Daddy, you're very different. I'll speak to that lift man. I say, कैसे है भैया, आप कहाँ से आए हो? And if I can help him a bit, you know, he likes that. I sometimes go in a rickshaw. That's my, I'll sit down in the rickshaw and talk to that guy. I'm going nowhere actually.
Yeah.
I'm suddenly say, चलो यार,
हाँ.
यहाँ चलो. सर कहाँ जा रहा है सर? मेरा वहाँ तक जाना है. फिर बोलो अरे यार वो आदमी मिला नहीं. And come back. But I spent $1,000 with him.
Yeah.
But in that I like talking to him.
Yeah.
उसे घर में क्या चल रहा है? And then I'll give him a tip.
Yeah.
So I like doing these kind of things that keeps me happy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? By helping people
Yeah.
and not giving up, as I
Yeah.
said earlier,
Yeah.
and not hating anybody,
Yeah.
and not, saying, creating poison in your body.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
just,
And while
just-
you're doing that, you also are
I go on.
receiving
There are
and
people who
learning
are
so much.
the people. There was a guy who's something he didn't like about me and I don't know whatever. But when I met him, and hugged him. So, congratulations, let's take a photograph and this and that. So because I love his work, and he was surprised. So how can he be? I said, "Yeah, it's one life here.
Yeah.
Finally,
Absolutely.
it's no big deal.
Yeah.
You're just here. You're just actually passing through.
Yeah.
So let's pass through with a smile,
Yeah.
without hitting anybody,
Correct.
as much as I can."
Yes, of course. Of course. It's been wonderful. You have done very well on the rapid fire round, and we
Wow.
have a little thing so that you take it back home and you remember us. This is for you. It's a Eat, Cook, Love mug.
Okay.
And this is a kitchen appliance for you as
Oh,
well.
how sweet. Thank you so much for these lovely gifts.
Thank you, thank you. It's very little.
It was not necessary
but-
because I enjoyed coming to the show and I really loved cooking for you guys and I really loved your questions and I loved answering them because again I'll tell the audience, guys, this lady is Sheetal. She's married to my friend who is one of the most talented music producers who's done a lot of work with me. His name is Jackie. And it is an absolute honor coming here and talking about my life. And I hope you enjoyed
Loved
some of the purani memories we just spoke about.
Loved it. So, and before you go,
Yes.
and this is for all your fans, and for me, I'm your big fan too. We would want you to sing something which is very close to your heart for us on our show.
So every song has been very close to my heart because I love
Absolutely.
all my creations. But this is a song which is also close to my heart because my Guruji, Shankar Jagishan, R.D. Burman, my father, I would feel, would have been very, very proud of the song. It got 2 national awards, written by a very talented writer, Varun Grover. And I'm going to sing this song for all of you guys.
Lovely.
So there is this alap in it, which not many people know has been composed by me. अब आजकल अब धीरे-धीरे बात आ रहा है because in this technology world वो सिंगर का नाम सिंगर जब गाते हैं तो उसका ही नाम आ जाता है.
हाँ, correct.
तो उनको लगता है वो अलाप भी उसने बनाया होगा. वो बेचारा बोलता नहीं है लेकिन
of
people
course. Yeah,
people
assume
assume that. So वो अलाप से शुरू करता हूँ मैं. उस अलाप के बाद फिर मुखड़े पर आऊँगा. Da ra ra da ra ra ri ra da ra da ra ri ra 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 da ra ra da ra ra ri ra da ra da ra ri di ra 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 da ra ra re ra ri da ra ri di ra da ra ra da ra ra ri da ra ri di ra da ra ra da ra ri ra da ra da ra 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 da ra ra da ra 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 da ra 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 da ra ri ra da ra da ra ri ra da ra da ra ri 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 ra के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, तू होगा जरा पागल, तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, कैसे तूने अन कहा, तूने अन कहा सब सुना, तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना, काम खाली राहें हम आँख मूंदे जाएं, पहुँचे कहीं तो बेवजह, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे.
Wow. So,
Thank you.
I am
Thank
blessed.
you. No, I'm blessed. Thank
I
you.
am so
Thank you
blessed,
so very
so
much for this
blessed.
honor, this privilege,
Thank you
this
so
warmth.
much
Thank you so much for having
joining
me
us
over.
here. And
you.
guys, Anu Malik, I don't need to see anything beyond this, and I'm truly, truly, truly grateful for this day today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello, everyone, and as we step into the new year, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for all your love, support, messages, encouragement you have shown throughout season 1 towards Eat, Cook and Love. This journey has been truly special, and none of it would have happened or been possible without you all. Our season 1 final episode 10 is now live, and it's the last episode of this season. To celebrate this beautiful milestone and to give back to the amazing community, we are doing a small New Year giveaway. Here's how you can participate. Watch season 1, episode 10. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Get 5 of your friends to subscribe to our channel. Then send us a screenshot telling us that you have completed all the steps. That's it. Selected participant will receive a special gift hamper created and curated from us. Once again, thank you for being with us on this journey. Here's to more food, more love, and an exciting season 2 coming soon. 2026. A very happy new year to your wonderful families and you, and lots of love and light from us here at Eat, Cook and Love.